It's literally 11:24 p.m. and midnight. And I wanna warn you guys that Roblox is getting banned by the Philippines in Roblox April 10th, but we still got some time. And some devs are fixing it. But the problem is, I don't think it's gonna be fixed anymore because all the parents agreed to this, and that's the thing we grew up with. I'm just literally so nervous because Roblox is getting banned on April 10th in Philippines. Even, I don't know, bro, even in England, Australia, I don't know. It's me recording yours. I made a lot of videos since I made a video when that text was big and you guys can see it, and I'm sorry about that, and we're recreating it but with a smaller text, okay? Okay, I'm just literally so scared. So awake. My sisters are awake. 2 sisters. I mean one sister. That's my one. That's my one sister, but I still got 2 more. And I'm really nervous. Don't mind that one. Yeah, don't mind that one. Yeah, don't mind that. That's my collection. So, I wish you guys have a night rest and have a beautiful day. Like and subscribe for more. Bye. And if you wanna see me on Roblox, my real name is KiangCutie3 with all of my accounts, KiangCutie335, KiangCutie235, yun. Yeah. I said it wrong by accident. And it's KiangCutie332, KiangCutie33, KiangCutie3. That's my account that I all used. And when you add me and we played together in Brookhaven, I'm the girl with blonde hair in Brookhaven and some butterflies in my hair with some headless. That's all I remembered. And pearls down my pants, yeah. So that will be on April 8th, okay? Bye guys.